Okay, welcome friends to my YouTube channel Gate Diary. Now I'm going to explain the data representation which I ended in previous lecture. So now data representation, I told you about the data representation. There are various methods to represent the positive and negative number. Number one, magnitude. In magnitude, there are two methods, unsigned magnitude and sign magnitude. Complements, again one's complement and two's complement. Okay, okay, and in complements method, again one's complement and two's complement method is there. So in one's complement and two's complement method, we can explain, we can represent both the numbers, positive number as well as negative number, and with the help of sign magnitude also we can represent positive number and negative number. Okay, so in all these three methods, positive and negative numbers, actually we are adding one extra bit at MSB. We are adding one extra bit at MSB. Okay, and what this MSB? Actually, I am going to add either 0 or 1 at MSB. So we can represent 0 for positive number and 1 for negative number. Okay, so easily we can differentiate between the positive number and negative number. Okay, so if you have to represent plus 5 in all different data representation technique, so plus 5, number one, unsigned, there is no MSB, there is no sign bit, so simple 1 0 1. It is in unsigned method. In signed method, 1 0 1, you are adding one bit at MSB, and this is the sign bit, and this method is sign magnitude. Next, one's complement is same as sign bit, two's complement is also same. So this is in unsigned method representation. This is sign representation of plus 5. Okay, this is in one's complement and this is in two's complement. किसको रिप्रेजेंट किया इन चारों मेथड में? प्लस 5 को. तो कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? अनसाइंड, देयर इज नो एमएसबी, यहाँ पे भी एमएसबी ऐड किया साइन, यहाँ पे भी. ओके, नेक्स्ट, one note point you can write, complement are used only for negative numbers, because for positive number this representation in one's complement and two's complement, it is same. Okay, it is same. This is different only for negative numbers. Okay, so if you want to represent minus 5, so minus 5, so how to represent? Minus 5 in unsigned, you can't represent with the help of unsigned. Sign means 1 0 1, and MSB bit is 1 because we are assuming we are taking 1 for negative and 0 for positive. Okay, what about this one's complement? Procedure is, first you have to write the positive number. Positive means 0 1 0 1. First you have to write 0 1 0 1, then you have to take its ones complement, means 1 0 1 0. Okay, here also first you have to write positive number, then you have to take 2's complement, so it will be 1 1 0 1. Okay, so first um, first you have to write positive number, and then you are taking one's complement. Here also same. Now if you want to represent minus 13, so how to represent minus 13? In unsigned you can't represent. Here this is plus 13 and this is minus 13. Okay, in this method you have to take one's complement of positive 13. सो पहले आप लिख लो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव 13 के लिए 1 1 0 1, दिस इज पॉजिटिव 13, then take its ones complement, so ones complement is 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, here also first you have to write plus 13 in 2's complement method, so 0 1 1 0 1. Now you have to write its 2's complement. I told you earlier the shortcut, so from right to left 1 as it is, and then you have to complement all the digits 1 0 0 1. Okay, so you can represent minus 13. Similarly you can represent minus 7. Unsigned you can't represent. 7 means 1 1 1. MSB 0 or 1, it will be 1, so MSB is 1. Okay, so here how to represent minus 7? First you have to write plus 7, then complement. Complement means 1 0 0 0. Here you have to write plus 7, then 2's complement, so 1 and 0 0 1. Okay, so ये आपने लिखा unsigned में, signed ones and 2's complement. Okay, next important point in unsigned magnitude. This is used only for positive number, only for positive numbers. You can't represent a negative number. 4-bit range of integers equal to 0 to 15 you can represent, and for n-bit integer n-bit range of integers equal to 0 to 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, so this is the range in unsigned magnitude. Now for signed magnitude, so important points are there. Signed for positive and negative number, नेक्स्ट, पॉजिटिव नंबर कैसे आप रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? नॉर्मल with MSB 0, ओके। एंड नेगेटिव नंबर कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? with MSB 1, सिमिलरली साइन बिट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल +15 आपने कैसे किया था? 1 1 1 1 0, ओके। -15 कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? -15 1 1 1 1 1, ओके। So simple procedure. Next, see its range. पे लिखते हैं signed magnitude. How to represent and the number in decimal. This topic is little bit confusion, create some confusion, but if once you know the concept, you can easily um, differentiate the thing between the signed, unsigned, and one's complement method and two's complement method. Okay, so how to represent plus 0? How to represent 0 in 4-bit? I am taking in 4-bit. Okay, so 4-bit binary system plus 1, so 1, and this MSB is the sign bit, this is the sign bit. It represents its uh, magnitude, whether it is positive or negative. So similarly, +7, how to represent +7? 1 1 1 and 0, okay. Now for negative, -0, simple, you can represent 1 -1, so 1 1 means this MSB 1 means negative number, and -7 1 1 1 1, okay. So in this signed magnitude, what is the range? Range is something, range of writing the integer for, अब ये 4-bit लिया हमने, 4-bit binary, 4-bit number, binary number, it is -7 to +7. For n-bit, it is minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay. Next method is one's complement method. One's complement method. In this method, first simply used for both positive and negative numbers. Okay. Next, in this positive number, is represented as normally binary with MSB 0. Okay, positive number with MSB 0. But for negative number, procedure is different. To write negative number, procedure is first क्या लिखेंगे आप? Write the positive number. And second step, ones complement it. Ones complement it. Simple procedure. Example also you can write. For -13, first क्या करना है आपको? +13 के लिए लिखना है मैग्नीट्यूड. So 1101 और MSB आपका. Now you have to take its ones complement. Okay. So 1 1 0 0 1. This is ones complement. -13. Okay. So इसमें भी see the range of integer. Range ones complement. If you have any doubt, you may ask in comment section. And decimal. Okay. So plus positive, how to represent? 0 0. 4-bit binary I am writing here. Okay. Plus 1. So same. For plus 7, same procedure. 1 1 1 and 0. Picture will change for negative. So first -7. This is plus 7. Take its complement, means 1 0 0 1. Okay. No, complement, I think this is not correct one. You have to write first positive plus 7, then you have to take its complement. This is plus 7, its complement is 0 0 0 and 1. Okay. -6, first plus 6 and then -6. So this is 1 0 0 1. And -1, first plus 1 and then complement. So 1 1 1 0. -0, it is 1 1 1 1. Okay. Actually, how you are defining the range means 0 0 to 1 1 1. Okay. You can't beyond this in 4-bit binary system. So range is basically, you can write here range of n bit in one's complement system. How much? -2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1 to 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Next, now we will perform the sum subtraction and addition in the positive number and negative number. So we will see the different type of procedure how we are converting, okay, how we are performing the addition and subtraction. So take one example. Perform 5 minus 4, okay, in binary using the ones complement. Okay, so in ones complement method, how will you write plus 5? So 1 0 1, this is 0, and minus 4 कैसे लिखेंगे? फर्स्ट plus 4 means 1 0 0 0. This is plus 4 minus 4 ones complement. So this is 1. Now add 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 0, again 1 carry. So if you are getting in ones complement this carry, procedure is you have to add this carry in the LSB of your answer and you will get the final answer. Okay, this is your final answer. This is plus 1. So 5 minus 4 plus 1. How computer is calculating this? In binary system, in ones complement. Okay, this is the procedure. So you can write here some note point. During addition, if any carry means present, if it is added, carry is present. Okay, during addition, if any carry is present, it will be added to the LSB to get the correct answer. This point you have to keep in your mind to get the correct answer. Okay, जैसे आपको यहाँ पे 1 मिला आपको कैरी वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट मेथड में, तो आपने क्या किया, इसको LSB में इसको ऐड किया, तो आपको फाइनल आंसर, यू गेट द फाइनल आंसर. ओके, यही मैंने यहाँ पे नोट पॉइंट में लिखा. नेक्स्ट, टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट मेथड में कैसे परफॉर्म करेंगे आप टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट. टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट यूज्ड फॉर both positive as well as negative number. Okay, and for positive number, to represent positive numbers are represented as normal binary with MSB 0. Okay, positive number same. For negative number, to represent negative number. Number 1, first write the positive number. First step. Second, take its two's complement. Similarly, in 1's complement, here you have to take 2's complement. Example, -5, how to write? So first you have to write +5, 1 0 1, and now take its 2's complement, 1 1 0 1. This is -5 in 2's complement. Okay. Now not point for negative number equal to n minus 2 to the power n. Okay, so what does it mean? For negative number n minus 2 to the power n, let's see. For example, if any number is given in 2's complement method, number is given to you something in 2's complement method. For example, number is given to you 1 0 0 1. Okay, so here capital N equal to its decimal equivalent. Decimal equivalent is 1 2 4 8 plus 1 9. Okay, so n means its given number, डेसिमल इक्विवेलेंट जो आपको नंबर देगा इसका डेसिमल इक्विवेलेंट जो है, ठीक है, वो है आपका कैपिटल एन, एंड कैपिटल एन इक्वल टू 9 minus 2 to the power n. N means total number of bit 4. So this will be 9 minus 16 equal to -7. तो ये जो आपका नंबर 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट में गिवन है, ये क्या है डेसिमल में? -7 है, ठीक है. Now see the range in 2's complement method. 2's complement here, decimal. So 4 bit I am taking 0 0 0. This will be plus 0 0 0 0 1 plus 1. Similarly 0 1 1 1. This is plus 7. Okay. 1 0 0 0. ये आपको 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट में गिवन है. इसका अगर आपको कन्वर्ट करना है तो डेसिमल में कैसे करेंगे? 1 2 4 8. सो नंबर है ये डेसिमल में 8 minus 16 minus 8. So this is minus 8. Okay. 1 1 1 1. ये कैसे निकलेगा 1 1 1? This is decimal 1 2 4 8. 8 plus 4. This is 15 minus 16. How much? Minus 1. So this is minus 1. तो आपका रेंज कहाँ से कहाँ तक हुआ? रेंज कितना है आपका? Range will be minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to -8 to +7. So 2 to the power n -1 -1. Okay. Range in 2's complement method. Range of integers. For n bit binary. For n bit binary. ठीक है. 4 बिट में हमने रेंज देखी कितनी, प्लस -8 to +7. ओके. नोट पॉइंट. During 1's and 2's complement, during 1's and 2's complement representation, if you are getting overflow condition we'll see what does it mean, overflow condition, then increase the number of bit, increase the number of binary bit. Okay. So see arithmetic operation in 2's complement method. Number 1, perform 5 minus 4 in 2's complement. कैसे परफॉर्म करेंगे आप 5 minus 4 एडिशन. सी +5 को आप कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे 2's complement में, सिंपली साइन की तरह 0 1 0 1. -4 को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे आप बताइए. पहले आप लिखेंगे +4, देन -4 के लिए 2's complement कर देंगे. ओके. So this will be 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. तो as you will get carry, carry को आपको करना है डिस्कार्ड. यहाँ पे आप LSB में ऐड नहीं करेंगे, you have to discard. Next example, +5 +4, so it is 1 0 1 1 0 and 1. So this is in 2's complement method. So what is this number in decimal? It should be +9, but this is आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं n-2 to the power n फॉर्मूला से. कितना है 9 -16, so this is -7. This is equivalent to -7. So this is overflow condition. This is overflow condition. Okay. See another example. -5 -4 -5. First write the +5 and then 2's complement. So 1 1 0 1. -4, first write +4 and then take its 2's complement. So 0 0 1 1. Then add 1 1 1 1 0. कैरी को आपको डिस्कार्ड करना है. So you got 0 1 1 1. 2's complement में क्या नंबर होगा ये आपका 7 7 -16. ओके. 1 2 4 7 minus 2 to the power 4 16 equal to minus 9। तो ये कैरी आपको करना है डिस्कार्ड। ओके, यू गॉट minus 9। okay, overflow, to detect the overflow there are two methods to detect the overflow. See, uh, overflow may occur in arithmetic operation when two same sign numbers are added and results exceeds with given number of bits। ओके, रिजल्ट अगर आपका गिवन नंबर से बढ़ जाता है। सो हाउ टू डिटेक्ट ओवरफ्लो, देयर आर टू मेथड्स। नंबर 1, let x and y are sign bit of numbers if there are two numbers, x and y are their sign bit, okay, of numbers, and z is the results sign bit, then condition for overflow is x bar y bar z plus x y z bar इक्वल टू 1। अगर ये आपको 1 मिलता है तो कंडीशन में ओवरफ्लो है, अदरवाइज देयर इज नो ओवरफ्लो। सेकंड वन, carry bit in and out, let C in input carry bit carry into MSB। अगर आपका carry MSB में है into MSB, and C out means carry out MSB से अगर carry out होता है carry out from MSB, okay, so C in XOR C out means C in and C out both are 1, then it is 0, then no overflow, no overflow। If you are getting 1, that means overflow। This is C in, C out. If it is 1 0, then 1 and no overflow. Sorry, 1 means overflow. 0 means no overflow. 1 means overflow. Okay. So take another example. -6 and -4. -6 and -6. How to represent in 2's complement? First you have to write +6 and +4. So 2's complement में कैसे represent करेंगे? 1 0 1 0 and this is 1. Now add 0 1 plus 0 1 0 plus 1 1 1 0 carry. So you have to discard this carry, discard. So you got 0 1 1 0 in 2's complement. Decimal में क्या होगा? What will be in decimal? It will be 1 2 4. So 6 minus 2 to the power 4 16 equal to -10. Okay. So -6 minus 4 -10. Okay. Okay. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Please like this video. Okay. Thank you.